is my skin like this? Because that was me just a few months ago. Dark spots, uneven skin, breakouts that showed up exactly when I had somewhere important to go. I tried everything, expensive creams, trending products, but nothing really worked. Until one day, I stopped doing too much and started doing the right things, and that's exactly what I'm about to share with you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Senti. If you are new here, I create content on skincare, beauty and real life glow ups. Today I'm going to tell you a story, my journey to getting smooth clear skin naturally and how you can do it too. If you have been struggling with dull skin, acne marks, dark spots, uneven skin tone, we have tried a lot of products, we have spent money on a lot of products. Let me tell you, are not alone. I was just spending money on products. I'm not even seeing results. Yes, so just relax. I will tell you what I did that helped me. You can try it to see if it's going to also help you. So it started during a stressful period in my life. I wasn't drinking enough water. I was eating anything I saw, and my skincare routine non-existent. My skin became dull, rough, and full of dark spots. I remember one morning I looked at my face and just sighed. You know all those things now. Your skin is not glowing. You go out and people will be looking at you. It's making you look older than your age, and it can reduce your confidence and self-esteem. That day, I make a decision. I'm going to fix my skin, but naturally. No harsh chemicals, no wasting money, just simple, effective habits. The first thing I changed was water. Yes, simply water. I started drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. At first, it felt like a chore, but within a week, my skin started looking more alive. You see the importance of water. Water is even skincare itself. You need to take more water every day for a glowing skin. Then I moved to my diet. I reduced junk food and started eating more fruits like pawpaw, watermelon, oranges. These foods literally started working from the inside. So fruits are very important for your skincare. You don't need to be spending money. You can spend a lot of money buying different products, but there are some lifestyle changes you need to do that will make your skin to glow. So you need to eat a lot of fruits and drink a lot of water. This food literally started working from the inside. I fixed my skincare routine. Nothing complicated. Just simple skincare routine. When I wake up in the morning, I will use a gentle cleanser to cleanse my face. After which, I will use a natural moisturizer like shea butter or aloe vera. Aloe vera was very helpful for me during that journey. After which, I will apply sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important. If I will do all those things without applying sunscreen, then I'm just wasting my time. Then in the night, I will also use a cleanser to cleanse my face, after which I will apply aloe vera gel. And sometimes I use natural face masks at home. Now let me tell you the game changer. My natural treatment, honey plus lemon mask. I use this 2 to 3 times a week. It helps brighten my skin and fade my dark spots. All you need to do is get honey, maybe 2 or 3 spoons of honey, mix it with 1 spoon of lemon and apply it on your face. Leave it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then you wash it off. This particular natural remedy works like magic. It was very, very effective. Then I also use aloe vera gel. This became my best friend. I apply it every night. It calms my skin and reduces breakouts. I make sure I use natural aloe vera. I do not buy any aloe vera from the store. I used the natural one from the plant. It was very effective. In fact, left to me, I would say aloe vera is the one that really worked for me. It's even out my skin tone. It clears every dark patch on my skin and blend everything. It also remove all the sunburn, all the irritations on my face. So aloe vera gel was very useful to me. I also use turmeric and yogurt mask. This one is a glow booster. My skin started looking smoother and clearer. What you need to do, you can get 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 2 or 3 tablespoons of yogurt, mix everything together, apply it on your face, leave it to sit for 20 to 15 minutes and you are good to go. That one will clear your skin. It will make your skin to glow beautifully and your skin will be very smooth. So turmeric and yogurt mark is a glow booster. But here is the secret most people don't tell you: consistency. Not 2 days, not 1 week. I started consistent for weeks. So you cannot start something today and see the result the next day, or after 1 week you are stopping because you are not seeing result. You have to be consistent. It takes me weeks for me to see result and I'm happy with my skin now. So you need to be very consistent with all the skincare routine you are doing. Make sure you apply the right natural product, mix them in the right quantity and patch test on your skin to know if it's good for your skin or not. Then one day I stepped out and someone said, "Your skin is glowing. What are you using?" I just smiled because for the first time I wasn't hiding my skin. No heavy filters, no makeup, just clear, smooth, natural skin. People were asking me, "What product are you using?" I'll just tell them I'm mixing natural remedies at home. They'll be like, "Wow, your skin is glowing." So you don't even need to spend money buying expensive skincare products. I did that and it did not work. You don't need to buy chemical products. They are also good, but know your skin. You can also use natural products for a glowing skin. Here is what I learned from this journey. Your skin reflects what you do daily. Natural doesn't mean slow, it means safe and lasting. You don't need expensive products to glow. Many people don't use natural products because they think it takes time for them to see results. But slow is very important. What you need is consistent, patient, and simple routines. And that routine, you only need a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. These 3 things are very important for your skincare. If you have been struggling with your skin, start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Start small but stay consistent, and trust me, your glow will come just like mine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the family. And tell me in the comment, what is your biggest skin struggle right now? I'll see you in the next video. Bye.